Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving the 15th problem of Project Euler. It is named Lattice Paths. This is trying to find out if you were only able to move right or down, how many routes are there to the bottom right corner in the 20 by 20 grid. So let's find out with code. So first we'll want to import math, then we'll want to define the grid size, then to shorten the code down we'll have a shortened factorial function. Then we will just find the answer using some clever maths. And the answer will be and this is it. We should be able to solve the 15th problem of Project Euler. And here we have it, the answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.